on my way to my house, and I got a brand new door I picked up. Had to buy it. 50% off all doors at my local Rona. Well, local to the city, not local to my house. The one by my house is a rip-off. But yeah, brand new door. All I need is somewhere to put it. I think I'll build a wall. Well, it's snowing out. Does it look like we're ready for winter? Does it look like we're ready for winter? Very clearly not. But it is snowing. There's about a half an inch this morning that already melted. They're not ready for winter. They don't even have a shelter. Well, they had one, but they pulled the tarp off. But yeah, clearly not ready for winter. Nowhere near. Underneath the wire. That is almost out. Holy. What is that? Is that dog pee on there?
Probably.
Are you scared? Are you scared? Okay, this is weird. Filled up the tub. She just stood there perfectly fine. Poured water on her. She did awesome. Like, not even fighting to try to get out. Just sitting there nice and calmly. Water even in the face. She's just like, ah. Now, I named Proxy after computer related. I was thinking for her Sapphire under, you know, computer video cards, but I don't know. This one here might be a little different. We're still trying to fight on who owns her. I think it'll have to be a split puppy. Yeah.
Oh, she likes it, look.
Oh, yeah. You like that? It'll be better with the light. Doing so well. Just sat, let the tub fill up. And what was she meant to be crossed with again? Adam was asking.
Pyrenees, Norwegian elk hound, and...
Mastiff?
No.
What was it again?
Maybe it was Mastiff. Yeah, it was.
Yeah. So cute.
Oh, she likes it.
Yeah. That's the awesome how well she's doing in the bath.
Drip dry the puppy?
Drip dry the puppy. Are you really that calm? That water is so dark. It's already draining. But drip dry, man, is she calm. She almost fell asleep a few times in there.
Hey, she likes it. You want to squeeze her paws?
Not really.
What? Get the water out.
We'll use the towel on her.
Okay. Well, she's heavy, so come on.
What?
Come on.
What?
Give me the towel.
Oh, well, say that then. Are you a little wet rat? Are you a little wet rat? Yeah.
She did really good.
I know. Super calm. Weirdly calm. Proxy, what's that?
Look what I got.
Is it a mini Proxy with her ears down?
What's that?
I think she's a little bug-eyed.
Is that your new sister?
She looks like just like you, Proxy. Just not quite even the same, nowhere near the same breed. Does she smell like you because we used your shampoo on her, Proxy?
What, you want in?
Are you a wet rat still? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. You're in puppy jail. Quarantine period.
Fuel
Hey, Proxy.
wheels.
Is what's in this basket Proxy approved?
That black offset.
Proxy.
I didn't want any chrome on this truck. Obviously, on these new trucks, they have
Proxy.
chrome on them. The bumpers hang down. They got
Proxy.
chrome.
Is this Proxy approved?
Chrome, dude.
What is this?
Chrome.
Oh, really? You want to go over there?
The only
Hey,
silver and chrome.
show your pretty face.
Sick, I'm jealous.
Show your pretty
One of the
face.
cleavers, which was a little iffy on it first, but they're warming up to me. They're warming up to me. I like the cleavers. It's hard to find.
Well, another thing that happened yesterday is got a high-speed internet tower. It's adjustable. I can go up that pole from there. Can go roughly 8 feet higher. There's a little bit of cable there if I need to crank it up. Then I got to put some guy wires. Guy. Everyone calls them different. Guys, I guess the proper terminology. But yeah, she works quite a bit quicker and 320 gigabytes or 340 gigabyte a month cap. So it's way cheaper.
Yeah. Now she's on dessert.
Finish her breakfast in like 30 seconds. A bowl of water and a bowl of kibble. Too fast. Burped a lot. Is that one of the biggest milk bones you ever seen? Or maybe the only milk bone you ever seen? It's like a 4-inch one. She's like, I got a fart. I want more water. It's like, I don't know about this thing. It's pretty big. It's almost as big as me. No. No. Chewing on Daddy's Crocs. Vitamin balls. No, I was joking. You don't have to go back there.
See that? Hi, puppy. Oh, tail's wagging.
Last time she played with them, she ate one.
She didn't eat one.
Let me go at you closer. Might be an interesting video. I think they're keeping their distance. Oh wait, there's Mr. Brown glass there.
There's no glass.
Yeah, well, she jumps through it. Give her a few minutes. There's no nails in that board over there hanging down?
No.
Huh?
There shouldn't be. I'm gonna look at Proxy? No.
Keep it up, Proxy. We'll lock you in a dirty piss tent. Well, starting the frame in where the wall has to go. Just going right over the deck. Then we're going to seal this up with plywood, Sequiflex, the black silicone around it, 2-inch foam, some more plywood. So it's in there solid enough. That's not going anywhere. It still kind of looks like it's on an angle from my view out there, but I checked, everything seems to be fine. We used a redneck plumb right there to check everything. So yeah, and the level of course, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's see. Oh, I don't see Proxy anymore. Oh, now I do. Proxy, are you spying on us? Are you spying on us? Well, spent a few more hours working on it last night. Now we're off to find some crappy plywood that kind of looks like this stuff, because I got to replace quite a few sheets, as you guys can tell, and see if I can find something to match. Otherwise, we're thinking of using scrap boards like that and put in kind of like a wood pattern around it. Not too sure yet. Proxy, did you just lose your food dish? Well, Proxy, if you're not going to eat it, I guess Mrs. Sata's going to eat it. Right, Proxy? You lost your food dish, Proxy. It's gone. That's more than you eat, Proxy. What's up? Yeah, I know. Okay, so here's the way the door's working here. Still deciding what kind of paneling to do on the edges. Left it here so I can cut that out at any time, make a doggy door. Got one door handle in for now. So everything seems to be pretty decent. Door fitment is perfect. Going to put some insulation in there tonight, and also the floor here has to be sealed and built roughly about 2 inches higher. Mr. Brown, is that a rat?
You got a monkey on your back.
Mr. Brown, you love it.
Hi, Zeta.
You guys, we built this door for a reason. You guys gotta go back into your playpen. Yes, I know, you guys need food. Give us 10 minutes.
Some for Zeta. Some for Proxy.
Proxy's eating. It takes a puppy to make her eat.
Some for Zeta.
And haven't made a video in a while, but just getting the floor all done here. Using the little squares of plywood again, because this is just temporary floor. Stuff going on top. Got 2 layers of expanding foam in there. Doors in. Everything's good. Get a glimpse from outside here. Turn on the light. And a shot from outside here. Still got some corners to fill in. Got a couple more pieces of insulation in that one corner to put in once I do the wall, because that sunroom's being blocked off. Right now it's just the sunroom's being used as like a guest bedroom, you could say. Yes, I got some filling in to do in between the foam there. Got to fill in between the door. But yeah, got the door handle on. The deadbolt is going to be electronic deadbolt that auto locks. But it's working. This is going to be turned into a bedroom. That's kind of why we're putting this wall here, so we can use this as a bedroom. And other than that, it's pretty good. I was really tempted to keep this door here, but at the same time, Proxy, is she being bad?
She just stole the puppy's food. Hey!
Watch your puppy's foot there, Proxy. I think the puppy's laying on your belt.
Yeah.
Hey, looks like Proxy's a little bit hungry now. She's going to jump right up there for that.
She won't even let it come out.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but this snow might stay. Yeah, it's snowing pretty good outside. And the yard is a mess. Oh, I think we got a little snow happening. Yeah. A little bit of fresh white fluffy stuff, and of course the yard is such a mess right now. Yeah. Such a mess right now. Where is she hiding?
She's under there.
Are you under there somewhere? Oh, I see her. She's moving. She's moving.
Run away, Santa, run away!
Yeah, that's about it, eh? Hey, you want back in now, Proxy? Are you covered in snow? Yeah. And the wall's in place on that side. And we got some snow outside. Yes, it's a mess in here right now. Whoa, I just seen you, Sada. Yeah, you didn't know who that was. Yeah, I see you underneath there. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I think I gotta warm up my truck. A little frosty and crunchy this morning. Reminds me of hunting season. It's like, holy. Yeah, it's a crunchy one. That's for sure. Hey, you guys will get your shelter. That wall here pretty much up. Doesn't look too bad. I think the tent took a little bit of shit kick last night. You guys are on the agenda for tomorrow. We get a new shelter that blew over on them, but you guys a little cold? Yeah. Well, time to go to work. Fun. Oh, it's pretty cold tonight or today, but awesome at the same time. First cold start of the year. Are you kidding me? There we go. Ooh, got some ice in the back. I'm gonna have to put down the camera and open my door. Stay. Holy, is that stiff? Oh, wow. Wow, that hurt my fingers. You want to start? No problemo. Turn on some heat. Haven't needed that in a while. Wow. Oh, my fingertips are a little sore from that. Opening my door, but you guys are going to get your shelter done later on today. Don't worry. Walls up. Looking good. And it's a friggin' cold one this morning. Yep, a little bit of work on the shed and holy. Well, is the snow here to stay or is it just here temporary? Hard to say, but it's -5 this morning. Getting a lot of stuff done at my house. Installed a new door, worked on the shed, installed two walls. Proxy loves the cold. But hard to say, going into work, I got to work on my one day this week. Fun. Then after that, got to work on the shed some more, do some more installation on the house. And get ready for hunting season because still got to set up my girlfriend's muzzle loader. Probably do that tomorrow. Got my new scope rail to put on, new scope rings. So it's going to be a little bit interesting. I was hoping for warmer weather, doing all that stuff around my yard. Got lots of stuff to do. Such a big cleanup to do before winter, and not ready for snow, that's for sure. Got this all last night and yesterday. Foxy. She was in a diggy mood today, that's for sure. Huge one under my tractor there. Big one at the fence there. Everything's so mucky out here. You should see how muddy she is. And that's nothing there. There's another one right here. Right there. Another one over in that corner there. And somehow one right underneath the tractor. One right there. And a few other ones. But it's so mucky out here. So, yeah. She was in a diggy mood today, that's for sure. And, I don't know. Never ate anything today. Just being a lazy poodle inside. And I don't even want to walk around that corner and find out what she was digging back there. Here's a little bit of update on the mining systems here. Believe it or not, they're heating the entire house. One card here, one of the fans failed, so that guy's off right now. But they are heating the entire house. I turned on the heat at my house over a month ago, and having it where the furnace fan just sucks the air, blows it throughout the house. I see you, poodle. I see you. This actually, believe it or not, is heating the entire house. As for how much money they're making, it's a little bit less than it was, but still making more than enough and a lot of free heat. So let's see here if I can turn these on. Give an idea of roughly what they're making. This one's making only $7 Canadian a day. The other one's going to be virtually the same. I just got to wiggle the mouse to turn on that one. But it's at the point now that free heat, awesome.